Hi, I'm Ellie and this is TechTricks channel. If you want to create this amazing chart to show relationship between group of people, members of a company or a family tree, but you're not in the mood to create all these boxes, here's the good news. You can create this amazing chart with few clicks in Google Sheets. Let's see. I want to create this organizational chart in which the name will show up as a tooltip when I hover the cursor on each card. To begin with, all I need are 3 columns. The first column shows the employee position in the company. The second column shows who this person reports to, so I call it manager. And the last column is each person's name. Alright, I fill the table. I create this table for a small company. In this company, the CEO reports to no one. His name is Lone. The product manager reports to the CEO, and so on. Now it's time to insert the chart. I go to Insert tab and click on the chart. This pane will open. Now under the Setup tab, I open the Chart Type drop-down list. I scroll down, and down here is the organizational chart. As said here, this chart needs at least 2 columns. So on Data Range, I choose the entire table. And the chart will create it. To change the size of the card or the color of the organizational chart, I can click the Customize tab on the Chart Editor pane and make some edits. My chart is completed. I click on these 3 dots and download it as PNG. Now I can use it anywhere. This was an easy way to create organizational chart in Google Sheets. Have any question? Ask me in the comments and I will answer all of them. If you like this video, please consider subscribing if you're not subscribed yet. As always, thanks for watching. Have a good time.